Alright, so it's every car guy's favorite season. We got the fresh snow, and we have a beautiful alpine white 340i with the snow tires, brand new, Xdrive equipped. So you know we have all-wheel drive, traction will not be a problem. And this is what I enjoy about the snow. Even though the time is 5 minutes past 7, we got someone here showing me what the Quattro does. Hey! There we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, don't mark. Don't mark. Don't hit my car now. Okay, you got it. You got it. You got it. So yeah, that's literally a testament to what I was about to say, but yeah, it's every car guy's favorite season. You know, we got the first snow, and the place looks bright, and that's because of the reflection on the snow. So let's jump in. Go for a ride. You want to hear some revs? Yes, sir. Alright, so for those of you who are new here, this is my 2016 BMW 340i Xdrive. Currently I'm running stage 1 tune on MHD, which is pushing somewhere around 350, 360 to the wheels, about 400 to the crank. And honestly, it's really enjoyable. It's super quick. It's fast, it's fun. See that? Power slides easily, especially in these conditions where, you know, we have snow on the ground and stuff. And it's so fun, man. I really love this car. So I might sound like a broken record, but if you are in the market to get one of these 340i or anything with the B58 engine, go for it. Absolutely go for it. Like, if it's a case where you are able to see the service history, I know that the car was well maintained, you know, the oil changes were done frequently and on schedule, then you shouldn't have a problem. You should not have a problem. So don't be scared. Bite the bullet. Go for it. So let's go into sport. I'm not going to go into sport plus because that's a bit too rowdy. Let's allow this lady to cross. Honestly, it's not even cold. It's really not cold at all. Hopefully you guys are able to see. So yeah, I'm running Kumo tires. They're whatever their winter line is, and it's gripping decent. I have no issues where traction is concerned. Yeah, I have no issues where traction is concerned. Let's try that again. I have no issues where traction is concerned. You know, once my traction control is on, then absolutely I have nothing to fear. And I really like how the traction control works in the Xdrive. For some manufacturers, they might give you an option to turn it off, but in reality, even when it's completely off, the car isn't giving you full power, and you can actually feel the restrictions whenever you demand that power from the car. But on this, like, if you turn it off, it's like, hey, all right, you made your decision, you made your choice. Now if you die, you die. You know what I mean? Which, that's what we want. We want the ability to control traction. Let's go into this plaza here. So fun. So fun. So the next thing is driving on driving on these main roads. Driving on the main roads. Some of them are already plowed or salted, but some of the off roads, like, there's nothing that's done to it. So it's just all fresh snow. You're able to glide and slide and moonwalk, double flip, everything. It's amazing. Let's see if we find one of those untouched road. This looks like one. Looks like we got one here. Not really. Yeah, that sport mode is dangerous, boy. That sport mode is dangerous. Got the kids playing, making giant snowballs. Oh, this one looks untouched for sure. Yes, sir. Yes, sirski. So fun. So fun to drive. Let's pop a left here. All right. So, pretty much that's the video for today. Hope you enjoyed that last pull, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.